Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add NGL link on your Instagram story. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open NGL, and after that is showing here you have to put your username of Instagram. So I have already put here. So what you have to do is just simply tap on copy link and then tap on OK. And after that what you have to do is just simply tap on share, and you have to tap on next step, again tap on next step, again tap on next step, and then tap on share on Instagram. And after that what you have to do is just simply tap on this account, and here you can see here is the link option. Just simply tap on this, and here you have to copy your link and then tap on done. Now you can see here you have to tap on this. Now you can edit your link from here you can see guys. So just simply select here, and after that tap on arrow icon, and here you can see just simply tap on share, and after tapping on this your NGL link will be posted on your Instagram story. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.